Hello students, in this video I am going to explain how to find points for graph. Now initially I will show you how to find points using normal process, and then I am going to show you a tricks by which you can find the points very easily. Now suppose we have taken one equation 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y, this is equals to 5, and we want to find the points. Now if you follow the normal way, we have to write 3y equals to 5 minus 2x. It is always better to find y. So I have kept 3y in one side, then 5. This 2x I have transferred in the other side, it will become minus 2x. So y will be 5 minus 2x divided by 3. Now we have to take different values of x, and then we have to find the corresponding value for y. Suppose x is 0. If x is 0, 2 into 0 will be 0. 5 minus 0 will be 5. 5 by 3 will be a fraction. Clear? If I take x equals to 0, then 2 into 0 it will be 0. 5 minus 0 it will be 5. 5 by 3 it will be a fraction. So avoid 0. Now we can take 1. If I take 1, 2 1 ja 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 by 3 it will be 1. So I am taking x equal to 1. If x equals to 1, then y will be 5 minus 2 into 1 divided by 3. So it will be 5 minus 2 by 3. 5 minus 2 will be 3. 3 divided by 3, it will be 1. So we got one set of points. If I take x equals to 2, 2 2 ja 4. 5 minus 4 will be 1. 1 by 3 it will be a fraction, so we will avoid it. If x is 3, 3 2 ja 6. 5 minus 6 it will be minus 1. Minus 1 by 3, again fraction, we will avoid it. If it is 4, 4 2 ja 8. 5 minus 8 minus 3. Minus 3 can be divided by 3. So I am going to take x equals to 4. If x equals to 4, then y will be 5 minus 2 into 4 divided by 3. 5 minus 4 2 ja 8 by 3. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Minus 3 by 3, it will give minus 1. So we got second set of points, 4 comma minus 1. If I take 5, 5 2 ja 10. 5 minus 10 will be minus 5 by 3, fraction. If you take 6, 6 2 ja 12. 5 minus 12 will be minus 7 by 3, again fraction. If I take x equals to 7, 7 to ja 14. 5 minus 14 will be minus 9. Minus 9 is divisible by 3. So instead of x I am taking 7. If x equals to 7, then y equals to 5 minus 7 to ja 14. I can write 2 into 7 by 3. So it will be 5 minus 7 to ja 14 by 3. 5 minus 14, it will be minus 9 by 3, it will give minus 3. So we got 1 comma 1, 4 comma minus 1, and 7 comma minus 3, which can be written as, you prepare a box. First value is x1, y also 1, 1, 1. Second one is 4 minus 1, here you write 4, here you write minus 1. Third one is 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3. Now these values can be plotted. If you want, you can write another line here. The coordinates x comma y, 1 comma 1. Second point is 4 comma minus 1. And third point is 7 comma minus 3. Now if we calculate this way, it takes lots of time. So I am going to show you a trick by which these points can be calculated within 2-3 minutes. Now let me show you the tricks. Same equation I have taken, twice x plus 3y equals to 5. So thrice y will be 5 minus 2x. If I transfer, it will become minus twice x. So y will be 5 minus twice x divided by 3. So we got y equal to 5 minus twice x by 3. And here one point we have to calculate. Here when if I take x equals to 1, 2 1 ja 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 by 3, 1. So when x equals to 1, y equals to 5 minus 2 into 1, 2 by 3. 5 minus 2, 3 by 3, it will give 1. Here I have not taken 0 because if I take 0, 2 into 0, 0. 5 minus 0 will be 5. 5 by 3, it will be a fraction. So I have taken x equal to 1. So when x equal to 1, we got y also equals to 1. So we got 1 coordinate. So here you can write x, y. You make boxes like this. And here you write x1, y1. Wash properly because it's a very easy tricks. Once you learn it, very easily points can be calculated. After calculating one such point, what you will do? Here you write y, here you write minus y, here you write minus x, here you write x. Clear? From the equation, try to find at least one point. After calculating one point right here in the middle, here you write y, minus x, x. Now, here coefficient of y is 3. Since coefficient of y is 3, 3 plus 1 will be 4. Here you write 4. Clear? Here we got 1. Coefficient of y is 3. So 3 plus 1, it will be 4. Here I have written minus x. What is the coefficient of x? 2. So here you consider minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1, it will give minus 1. So very easily we got 1 point. Again, here I have written minus y. What is the coefficient of y? It is 3. So 1 minus 3, because I have written here minus y. So here I have to consider minus 3. 1 minus 3, it will be minus 2. And here I have written x. What is the coefficient of x? It is 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. So 4 comma minus 1, 1 comma 1 and minus 2 comma 3 are 3 sets of points. I hope this one is clear. Let me show another one now. Suppose equation is 3x minus y equals to 1. Since coefficient of y is negative, so I am going to transfer y in the other side. So I can write 3x. This plus 1 becomes minus 1 equals to this minus y. If I transfer, it will become plus y. So I got y equal to 3x minus 1. Now one point I have to calculate. Suppose x, if I take 1, if x equals to 1, then y will be 3 into 1, 3 minus 1, it will be 2. So I got one set of point. So here, like previous one, I will make a box. Here you write x1, y2. Here you write y, minus x, x. Now, what is the coefficient of y here? Coefficient of y is minus 1. Since it is minus 1 plus 1, it will give 0. And here it is minus x. What is the coefficient of x? It is 3. So minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. We got 0 comma minus 1. Again, here I have written minus y. Coefficient of y is minus 1. So 1 minus minus 1. So 1 minus minus 1 is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Here I have written x. What is the coefficient of x? It is 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So we got 3 points, 0 comma minus 1, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 5. So very easily 3 points can be calculated, and after that plotting is very easy. Plotting anyone can do. Main problem is with this table. I hope this process is clear. From your textbook you can take some more equations and you can try to prepare table using these tricks. As a teacher, I know most of the students find it difficult to prepare this table. After knowing these tricks, I think all of you can prepare this table correctly. I am sure this video is going to help many students. Thank you for watching. Take care.